Click on the shape, and at the top left, click on the color icon. Here you can change it to whatever color you wish. You can also choose gradient colors as well. So this will include multiple colors. And if you have a particular color that you want, you can enter the hex code here. So let's say, for example, I want the color to be the exact color of a basketball. So I can grab that hex code here, paste it here, and now this color is the same color as a basketball. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.